Hello everyone, today we are learning how we can reset your Houseparty password. I'm gonna open my Houseparty app. What you have to do in order to reset or recover your Houseparty account is you have to click on I already have an account. Now what you have to do here is click on forgot password, and now what you have to do is type in your email address that you are using for your Houseparty app. So I'm going to quickly type in the email address that I am using for this app, and now all you have to do is click on the reset password button here. So it says that a mail has been sent to my Gmail account, and now I'm going to go open my Gmail. So there it is. I've received this. Has a long link that I have to open in order to reset the password for my ID, and there it goes. Now I have to reset a new password here and type the new password here again. So I'm going to quickly fill in this and click on reset password, and it says that your password was updated, so go back to the app. Now all you have to do is open your Houseparty app and click on I already have an account and use the email address that you are using previously. So I'm going to quickly fill in my email address here, and I'm going to use the new password and click on next, and I have successfully recovered my Houseparty password. And thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to see similar updates on this channel, please subscribe and have a great day.